especially driving on Woodward, a 4-lane highway, does make me a little bit nervous. And I know that I would not, and I didn't feel comfortable turning until I knew that all of the cars, like until I felt safe enough to turn onto Buckingham without, getting in the way of other cars or other cars, cutting a little bit too close to me. I was waiting in the turnaround until I felt safe enough. And I did feel safe enough. And somehow he came and our cars collided. I don't know if he had maybe turned onto Woodward at like around the same time that I was turning onto Buckingham. I'm not sure. But
Would it
from my
matter?
understanding, he was
Would it
not in
matter?
my blind spot. He was not in front of me. He was far behind me for me to feel safe and comfortable enough. And the passenger in my car can agree to that as well. Like, and none of the signals in my car went off,
And
which is
when you're
why
driving, you have a duty not to turn onto a road. You were coming out of the Michigan left.
correct.
You have a duty to stay there at the stop sign until it's clear.
I agree. And that is exactly what I did. So
No, it isn't what you did. If it would have been clear, there wouldn't have been a crash.
that is why I'm confused. And that's why
Well,
we're here today.
what's confusing you is you seem to have eliminated the possibility that you goofed. You didn't see somebody that was there.
Well, I would agree with you on that, except for I had a passenger in the car and they were also very like they also are aware and a very nervous driver and they felt that they didn't see this car either. And so that is what's even more
Okay, the
confusing
car
than
is
that
visible.
too. Right.
This is what, 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
Right.
The car doesn't have any cloaking devices. It's sitting there. It's 20 feet long. It's 6 feet wide. It's 5 feet high. It's visible.
Yeah,
There
well,
would not have been a crash if you didn't go into that person's lane.
I'm saying that I don't think that this was my fault. I do know for a
Are you
fact
blaming
that
the other
this
guy
car,
because he's driving down the road and happens to be in a lane that you want to turn into?
I do know for a fact that he was
Do you
behind.
blame him because he was where you wanted to be?
I think that this is a situation where maybe
Answer
we
my
both could have
question.
done better.
Are you blaming the other guy because he was physically present where you wanted to be?
I don't blame him because he was in that lane. I do know that he was behind me the entire time.
Ma'am, if he was
And
behind you the entire time, the front of your car wouldn't have hit the back of his.
that's what I'm saying. I don't know how he got
You
in.
made a mistake. You didn't see somebody that was there.
I don't,
It's
I'm,
possible you could have made a mistake, and the crash is kind of a proof of it.
well,
We all make mistakes.
I do know
Why?
that
Why?